Boys and girls, this screencast is going to help you with working on the assignment for Monday, May 11th. What I would suggest is to keep your Google Classrooms in a folder so that you can access them. For our regular ELA, you'll find that the ELA log is now in the classwork. On the ELA log, if your name is written here in red, then you need to resolve comments on your final copy where you put your introduction and your body paragraph 1 that was worked on last week. Or you may not have put it there and something is missing. This is a link that takes you to Monday's post, or you would go to classwork. In the Writing Google Classroom, you would go to classwork each day. And there's 3 important places for you to locate. The first thing you'd have to do based on the day of the week is to look for what day of the week it is. So yesterday was Monday. The assignment was listed here. Please follow these directions, and it says to open up slides 31 to 32, and that will help you with revising. And when it goes on to explain that you're going to take the work from your draft and you're going to place it into a final copy. We are not doing the entire 5-paragraph essay into that copy yet, but by Friday, we will be done with the paragraph, and that Monday that comes after that, that's when you would put your paragraph into the final copy. So Monday's directions said to open up the presentation, and what I would suggest is that you always take a look at the schedule. This is the schedule that tells you what to do. You would just look for what day, and it gives you similar directions. This is the slideshow. If you open it up, it tells you to go to those slides, and 31 was reminding you to use Control F when you work with your paper and see if you've overused cat or dog. You can substitute some of these. This is a sample of how some children worked on other word reference like a playful pooch, a local workout buddy, a four-legged fitness friend. So the presentation has been located here. With every post, when you go to classwork, it tells you specifically what slides to use for that day's assignment. Now, under Monday would be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We'll be working on this for the month of May for writing, and it does count as a test grade, but the pattern will be similar. We'll be doing TNR, and then EEE, then EE, then S. So it's important that we learn what the process is and to use the draft document each time. The draft document in which you do your work in daily is located here, and it says it's the draft work in daily. When you open it up, it looks like this. And we've all been on this document before. What you could do if you like, and just carefully do this so you don't erase some of your work, is all this portion before this, you could erase that carefully without erasing your work. So if you want to reduce that, you can, and then go to body paragraph 1. Now at this point, we worked on TNR last Tuesday, then EEE on Wednesday. On Thursday, we did EE. And then on Friday, we did S. So if you've done that, you have sentences in this document. Your job on Monday was to copy and paste each of the sentences from here that you wrote into your final draft. This part here is your final draft. Do not work in daily. We don't put this in here daily. We would go into the draft. And the reason is because the draft has helpful links for you. It explains what you're supposed to do. It gives you links like a transition. It gives you links like AWS. It also gives you links, especially with evidence, to open up those slides and use those specific evidence stems. So that's why we draft it in here. Now, when you open this up, the directions say to copy and paste your revised introductions, which we worked on a very big shared document in which you gave comments. The introduction comes first, then body paragraph 1. When you go into Monday's assignment, if you scroll down, right here is the revised introductions. I'm not going to open it up, but it will have everyone's name and whatever introduction they had with the hook, bridge, thesis. Now, the font is different and they're colored, but just copy and paste the whole thing into final draft. Please leave these directions here until you're proofreading and you're done with everything. But if they're gone, it's okay. It just can give you a little heads up about how to format it. But start here, and then you can erase the star, but just giving you an idea to start about the star. And you can put in your introduction first. Remember, it'll be a different font, it'll be different colors. Just highlight everything, right? Go and take the highlight off to be none, and then change the font to be Comic Sans 14. Your introduction should be good to go. Reread it, look at it, and then you're going to insert your TREEEEES. Keep this document open and copy and paste them as you go from this document into this document. Now remember, this document is here at the top. This is the final draft. This is the one that you work in daily as your draft. And this is your daily draft. Okay, so we work in that daily, and you're going to, the pattern will stay the same. Tuesday will be the TNR for body paragraph 1, 2, 3 as we proceed. Wednesday will be the EEE. Thursday will be the EE. Friday will be the S. And then Monday, with the exception of Memorial Day, will be the day that you copy and paste it into the final document to create a 5-paragraph essay as a test grade. So please check this document to see that you have your introduction as well as body paragraph 1 located in there, especially if your name is listed here for you to have a reminder to work on that document so that it's there. I will post a link here of this video so that you can have some guidance with it. And if you can, work on, when you're ready, work on the assignment for today, which is the T and the R for May 12th. I've posted a new video which does have sound, which should be able to help you. Thank you, boys and girls, for your hard work. Please email me with any questions.